Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cook with MANNO. Today, we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of cucumbers. We'll explore not only the structure and composition of cucumbers but also uncover the plethora of benefits they offer. Additionally, we'll discuss the ideal times to incorporate cucumbers into your diet and when you might want to exercise some caution. Let's start by taking a closer look at the structure of cucumbers. Cucumbers belong to the gourd family, scientifically known as Cucumis sativus. These green gems are often perceived as vegetables but, botanically speaking, they're actually fruits since they contain seeds. They typically have a cylindrical shape, characterized by tough, green skin, which is rich in dietary fiber, and a watery, crisp interior. Now, let's delve into the incredible health benefits that cucumbers have to offer. 1. Hydration. Cucumbers are champions of hydration, comprising over 95% water. This makes them an invaluable choice, especially during sweltering summer months when dehydration is a concern. 2. Low in calories. Cucumbers are remarkably low in calories, a virtue for those on a calorie-conscious journey or anyone seeking a guilt-free snack. 3. Nutrient-rich. Beyond their hydrating properties, cucumbers are a treasure trove of essential nutrients. They're packed with vitamin K, vital for bone health, vitamin C for boosting the immune system, potassium for heart health, and magnesium for well-being. 4. Antioxidants. Cucumbers are also abundant in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and tannins. These compounds play a pivotal role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and combating harmful free radicals. 5. Digestive health. The fiber content in cucumbers not only promotes satiety but also aids in digestion, making them an ally for a healthy gut. The soluble fiber in cucumbers can help prevent constipation. Now that we've uncovered these amazing benefits, let's discuss when it's best to savor cucumbers. 1. As snacks, cucumbers are the ideal snack. Slice them up and enjoy with a dollop of hummus or your favorite dip, creating a satisfying and guilt-free munch. 2. In salads, cucumbers are a classic addition to salads, contributing a refreshing crunch and a burst of hydration to your greens. 3. Hydration. To stay refreshed, simply infuse your water with cucumber slices. It's a delightful and hydrating twist to your H2O. 4. Post-workout. After a strenuous workout, reach for cucumbers to help rehydrate and replenish essential electrolytes and nutrients lost during exercise. Of course, like all good things, cucumbers should be enjoyed in moderation. Let's also talk about when to exercise caution. 1. Allergies. If you have a known cucumber allergy, it's crucial to steer clear of them completely to prevent any adverse reactions. 2. Gastrointestinal sensitivity. For individuals with sensitive digestive systems, consuming excessive cucumbers might lead to gas, bloating, or indigestion. It's best to moderate your intake. 3. Pesticides. If you're concerned about pesticide residues, consider purchasing organic cucumbers to reduce potential exposure. In conclusion, cucumbers are a fantastic addition to your diet, offering hydration, vitamins, minerals, and a multitude of health benefits. They're versatile, delicious, and incredibly refreshing. Just remember to be mindful of any allergies or your individual digestive system when incorporating them into your meals. As with most things in life, moderation is key. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. We're always eager to hear from you, so don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.